Hey everyone, Delphi Group here with our weekly trading and UOA recap that we do every week for you guys, for the community, and for everyone out there, just to kind of see what we continue to do here week after week, month after month, which is printing profits. Okay, so let's jump into the Delphi room again. This is where we do all our amazing work, where all our trades are posted, all our channels are there. So first, let's take a look at Leviathan, who continues to crush all his channels. Okay, we are right now in his day trade channel here. Okay, and you can see he's just crushing out trades here in the day trade channel. Okay, he has a futures channel that you can see here. He's again crushing trades here on these green check marks. So doing great with the futures as well, but I mean, his crypto trades are just the ones that just continue to skyrocket. We can see here this rocket ship here just recently last night on SHIB, pocketing 93%, cashing out their complete rocket ship. Okay, so yeah, shout out to him. We do many things here at Delphi: futures, day trades, crypto, options. Okay, so now if we go to our week in review channel, again, this is where we post all our stuff for the week. Again, all our trades are posted here in the Delphi room and are journalized. Okay, so we can see here the Delphi trades for this past week. Amazing that we did 2-0 there. Okay, so we've adjusted the percentages to reflect week to week in the portfolio. I mean, for the year, we're up over 2,000%, which is very crazy and kind of embarrassed to say that. But yeah, so another, we had 2-0 this week on the Delphi signal trades. You can see the two trades here we had on U and Deckers. Okay, 60 and 50% winners there. So that was a great week off of the Delphi signal, which continues to crush it. And overall for the week on all our trades, just, no words, simply incredible here. Collecting almost 79% win rate on our trades, 15-4. Just profit factor is just through the roof. Okay, anything 2 or above is really good. We've done over 5x that. Okay, so that profit factor is crazy. Our day win percentage, 100%, 5-0, and again, collecting 3% overall for the portfolio. So just an amazing week here at Delphi. Okay, and again, a lot of our trades came off of the UOA channel, which continues to be fire. Our UOA channel this whole year really has just been simply incredible and continues to be fire. Okay, we had UOA trades, which we'll get to on Circle. AI was a day trade we had here, collecting 62% off UOA. TRVI, which we'll look at, off of the UOA as well. 150% rocket ship there on that one. Okay, we had some other ones here. Again, Circle, which is a crypto trade we are still in. Again, 130% there on that one. And again, TRVI here. So, yeah, our UOA channel just continues to crush it. Okay, and again, UOA stands for Unusual Option Activity, which, is our channel here. Okay, which is where all the UOA goes in. But going back to the week in review, we had one of our best trades of the year. Now, this was not an option trade because there were no options. It was a stock on CWD. So CWD came out announcing they were doing a treasury on the Link crypto. Now, Link is one of our most bullish positions, long-term, short-term. So you might want to look into that crypto. But when they announced the treasury, we jumped on this and we posted it in the community here. You can see added shares at $2.90 on the Link treasury news. And there's no words for this. Okay, about a week later, we sold 80% of those shares at $48. Okay, this shot up over 2,000% in one day, which we'll look at the chart. But you can see here, our position here already up over 1,200%. We got in at 290. Again, took the majority off at 48, thankfully, because this is back down to like $7 or $8 now. But again, nobody's doing this anywhere. You can see this, what we posted for our community. Okay, and looking at that chart, here you go. Okay, called Caliber Company, CWD. Again, we entered at 290, and look at that. We took profits pre-market before the market even opened at $48. You could see where it opened at. Okay, and opened at 45, shut up to roughly almost 48. But we got out pre-market at 48, and look where it's at now. So again, nobody's doing what we do here. Just a monster explosion on this one, and we're actually still bullish this name. But again, just one of our best trades of the year on this. Okay, and then looking at some UOA. Again, UOA's been on fire. SMCI, we posted these. Somebody came in and bought 15,000, 2.4 million of these at $1.61. Okay, where did these go? Well, these went to over $5. You could see this here again. So again, nobody's doing what we do here at Delphi. We say it before, we say it again. There are platforms out there that are supplying the options data, which we actually get, but nobody's parsing it out. Nobody's posting the relevant ones for the community and just getting just enormous gains on this one. ROIV, here's another one. This is a bio one. We really pay close attention to the bio names because a lot of times news could be coming out. But you can see here, again, somebody bought almost 10,000 of these. They actually bought more of these after this. But here they almost bought 10,000 of these. $15 calls. The stock was under 13 for roughly 35 cents. Okay, we took a trade on this for the community, which you can see here. Again, all our trades are posted. Everyone following ROVUOA at 37 cents. And again, just monster gains here. You can see these things shut up over $1. We took profits at 80 cents. Almost a 200% banger there. Okay, so these did really well again. And again, nobody's doing what we do. We never follow this bio name, but we saw it come in through the UOA. Okay, we took a trade, and lo and behold, there you go. Okay, again, nobody's doing this. Here's another one, TRVI, that we showed you in our journal. Okay, so again, somebody came in, bought in the money calls. Okay, they came in, they bought 6,300 in the money calls, under $1 million. But again, first time on the UOA that we always pay attention to UOA that comes through that we've never seen before, especially if it's a bio name, right? So you can see here they came in, they bought these around $1.30. Okay, we actually waited. We did buy some, but then we really loaded up at 40 cents. So you can see here, added to the TRVI UOA calls at 40 cents. Okay, and again, that was on September 4th. And look at what these did. Okay, no words here. Again, added at 40 cents. These shut up to over 270. We cashed out at $2. But again, we don't follow that name. Again, never heard of it before. But because we saw it and posted it in the OOA channel, we took a trade. Okay, and again, you can see here, all out, everyone, over $2 here at 210 for a monster. I think that ended up being 150% gain on that one. Okay, here's another one again, Circle CRCL. We showed you guys this one in our journal. Again, somebody came in, they bought $2 million worth. Okay, Circle was at $120. Okay, they bought the 135s, pretty expensive for $640. Now, we didn't buy these. Okay, we went out, we actually bought the ones we showed you. We bought the 175 calls are the ones that we showed you. Okay, now, just because UOA comes through, it doesn't mean you have to follow the right ones or the exact ones. We really didn't feel like paying $638. But because this is a crypto name and we're super ultra bullish crypto right now, we actually cashed out some monster crypto calls yesterday on some calls we took. But because this was a crypto name, we're actually still in this name, but we cashed out for some monster gains. And you can see what happened here. Now look, the stock was at $120. What happens? Okay, oftentimes this is what happens with UOA. Okay, we kind of say the shady Wall Street people there. Well, they are shady because look what happened here. Okay, the UOA was posted at $120 that we just showed you, and what happened the very next morning? It got an analyst upgrade, and look where these went to. Okay, the high of the day was 136, where we actually cashed out up there, re-entered lower on some other ones. It's called rolling out the position, which is something we teach here at Delphi. It's where you collect the profits but stay in the position. But look, these got up to almost $139. And why? Off the analyst upgrade. Was that a coincidence? Again, we don't think so. Okay, and here are those actual UOAs we posted, 640. Those actually got up over a double, up to 1530 again. Okay, if you would have just followed those. But again, we took some cheaper ones as well. Okay, and last but not least, this is simply incredible. Okay, UNH. Here it is. Everybody, we posted a trade on this in the channel. We got in at 50 cents, but somebody came in. They bought over 6,000 of these at 49 cents. Okay, look at where UNH was trading. UNH was trading under 315. They bought the 340s, okay, for this week. And we felt like this was very fishy. We took a trade. We entered these at 50 cents. And just look at what happened here. No words, complete explosion higher. Look, again, we posted at 50 cents. These got as high as over $14. Just a complete explosion, rocket ship, whatever you want to call it, higher. Of course, we didn't stay in till 14.40, unfortunately, but we caught over 100% on this trade on UNH. And again, nobody's doing what we do here at Delphi, okay? So please like, subscribe, get the word out that we're here. We're here to help traders not only become profitable, but stay profitable. And we're telling you, the value of what we do here is peanuts compared to other platforms and what they charge. Okay, we charge for what we pay for our option flows here. Okay, and again, nobody doing what we're doing with option flows in UOA here at Delphi. So that's it from us. Look for the weekly market report that we will put out on Tuesday. Again, please like, subscribe, get the word out. And we want to wish you guys a great weekend. Take care.